Hello friends, and welcome back to the Crow Boutique. Today I'm going to show you how I make my cough tea blend. First you're going to take Mullein and add that to the bowl. Mullein is actually an invasive species here in Colorado and in a lot of places across the United States. Then you are going to take Skullcap. Make sure that it is either USDA certified organic or that you wildcrafted it yourself and know where it came from. You don't want any unnecessary chemicals in your tea. I don't really measure my ingredients so much as just go by heart, unless it's one of my blends that I'm selling on my Etsy shop, which right now I don't have any up. So this is just for me and my family because we have a cold currently, and truthfully with this blend it doesn't really matter so much the ratios. It's a wonderful tea. It's got lovely flavor and it's very soothing to a cough and a sore throat. The next ingredient is marshmallow root. This is again certified organic marshmallow root. And I'm just going to sprinkle a liberal amount of this into the bowl. And this is a very simple tea. Usually my teas have a lot more ingredients, but this one is really easy and only has 4. This one is a wonderful blend if you're dealing with any kind of cough, from seasonal allergies and bronchitis to a virus. The final ingredient is known as Tulsi, also known as holy basil, and this is really where the flavor comes from. And again, I'm just going to liberally sprinkle what looks right in my mind to the bowl. Okay, so after we've added everything to the bowl, you're going to take a spoon, or I'm using a scoop. You can also use your hands if you're just making this for yourself. And we're going to mix the ingredients until well blended. The idea is you're looking for kind of a uniform distribution of all the ingredients here, so it's more of a visual art than a science. And I'm just going to stir this up until it looks good to me. And here is our tea all blended up. You can see all the beautiful variety of shades of green in there, as well as the white of the marshmallow root. And this is going to make an absolutely lovely, lovely cup of tea. So for most of my tea blends, my recommendation is to use about a tablespoon per cup of the herb mixture when you're making tea. I am just going to use about 3 well-sized tablespoons for this because that's about how much my teapot holds. When you make tea, you definitely want to use boiling water and not just hot water. So I just stopped my kettle when it started to boil, and now I am pouring that boiling water directly over the herb mixture in my teapot. You can use a cloth tea bag or a tea ball or a teapot with a strainer like I'm doing here, however you want to make it, or a French press works really good for loose leaf tea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget that you are beautiful, sacred, beloved beings, and I am so happy you exist in my world. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.